ladies and gentlemen. Spoke a little too soon. Turned out the wife was right. It was the fuel pump. It is still working. I did hear noise. It's just really weak. It's not keeping up. I don't know how yesterday happened. I drove it for 15 minutes solid and never had a single problem. I get back here, I shut it off, let it sit about 5 minutes, try to start it, absolutely nothing. It wouldn't even try to catch nothing. And the fuel filter under the hood was almost empty, and it would not fill. So gas down the throat of the carb, tries to catch nothing in the bowl. So, got one on order, and there it is. And apparently someone's been in here before. You can see the line right here on the fill. The clamp's been taken off. Looks like the original vent tube, braided. I haven't seen this for a long time. But someone's been in here before, obviously. Looks like someone's actually creamed the inside of the tank for me. It's got a nice coating in there. Cleaned it all out. It wasn't a lot of sediment, really. And yeah. See, the filter's not even plugged up. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, other thing. You can see that. Nice rust holes. I don't know if I can weld those up or not. I'm certainly gonna give them a try. This tank's always been like that. You can't put more than 8 gallons in it without it leaking. And I figured it was a pinhole somewhere around here. But there you go. That's from leaves accumulating on there and rotting and releasing acid and rusting the steel. So get up under there at least twice a year and clean everything out. Don't let that happen to you. But once again, got parts on the way from Rock Auto. Filter sock and fuel pump. Airtex, nice quality. It's under $50 delivered. Can't argue with that. Fuel senders works fine. Everything else in here looks pretty clean. Isn't even a lot of corrosion. It sure did fight me coming out though. So, we'll let you know what happens. See about welding that up tomorrow. Thanks for watching again. See ya.